Hey Yappy fam, I'm so sorry. I don't think I could let you in, you know, COVID and all. I'm just kidding, come on in. Hey Yappy fam, last year for Lunar New Year, I showed you guys how to make Chinese lean goat, which is like a sweet brown sugar cake. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make, or actually how to fry, turnip cake and taro cake. Now, this is sort of like a savory type of cake for those who aren't aware of the different types of Chinese New Year cakes. So these are kind of like a steamed cake that we fry, and it's so delicious. I'm going to show you guys the dim sum version, which is like very simple, and then I'm going to also show you the Vietnamese version as well, which is with egg and onions and scallions, and it's just like so good. So without further ado, let's get started, okay? So unlike last year's cake, which was sweet, this one is a savory version. So I'm gonna go ahead and break this open. This you can find already pre-made at the grocery store, okay? So you don't actually have to steam the batter yourself. If you like to, go ahead, but I just find it so much easier to get it at the grocery store. So what I'm gonna do is take this out, and this is the turnip one, okay? And you can see here the turnip one has, it has turnip in it, but it also has a little bit of the preserved Chinese sausage and a little bit of the dried shrimp as well. And that's just to add a little bit more umami flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna cut them into little rectangles or squares. And you just want it to be about 1/2 inch size, like so. Okay, and then we're gonna break open this taro one. And so I always find that in every Asian household, it's like either your team taro or your team turnip. And for me, I'm actually team turnip, but my husband is team taro. And the taro one is really nice too, but it's just a little bit more denser. Okay, I'm just gonna cut it like that. And I'm also going to just go ahead and prep my green onions or scallions. So the first thing we're gonna do is real simple. We're gonna do the dim sum version, and you're gonna put a little bit of flavorless oil in a hot pan, okay? And you wanna make sure that it is a flavorless oil, not an olive oil, because you'll definitely mess up the taste. So now what you're gonna do is just gonna put it on the pan on a medium heat. And I find that the taro ones take a little bit longer to cook, okay? So you might want to leave them on a little bit longer than the turnip ones. Isn't that beautiful? And listen to that gorgeous crust. Not sure if you can hear that. Now we're gonna do the Vietnamese version. Can you tell? I'm a little bit biased. Okay, so again, we're gonna start off with a little bit of medium-high heat, okay? And right over here, I have some oil on a pan. And that's flavorless oil again. In the meantime, while that's frying, I'm just going to beat my eggs a little bit. Okay, and I just want to give them a very gentle beating, not too much. I think right now it's time to flip over my cakes. Whoa, look at that. Ooh, it's a little burnt. So now the fun part, ready to put in my eggs. So I like my turnip cakes to be a little bit on the eggier side, so I used about 5 eggs here. But you can use, I mean, it's pretty much up to you. However amount of eggs you want, go for it. Now I'm gonna just turn the heat down to low. And I'm just gonna let it sit and slowly cook away. also have your fried shallots. And voila. Okay. And the sauce that we're gonna use to dip this in is, it's just like a little simple soy sauce mixture. So all it is about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and water. Okay, a little bit of vinegar Okay, you can use white vinegar or you can use the Chinese vinegar, then a tablespoon of sugar. And you can play around with the ratio to see what you like. And then of course you're gonna need a little bit of hot sauce as well. And I'm just gonna go with sriracha. Good old sriracha, never disappoints. Okay, and that's it. So good. Delicious. Now, some people like the turnip one, and some people like the Taro one a little bit better. For me, I'm team turnip, but I definitely also appreciate the Taro one as well. So let's give that one a try. Okay. And usually the turnip ones are a lot more denser. Let's give that a try. So good. And of course, we also have our dim sum version here. And this one would also be really, really nice with a little bit of chili oil or satay oil. And you can fry that and kind of like mix that in with it while you're frying it. And so good. Well, I definitely hope you enjoyed this video, and I really, really want to wish you and your family a happy and safe new year. God knows we all deserve it, and I definitely hope you get rich, as Ronnie Chen would say. Hope you get rich, have a happy, healthy, safe new year, and I'm wishing you all the best. Thanks, bye.